What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. I am on my lunch break, guys, and you know what? I have an itch to fly, guys. And guess who I have beside me? Mr. Droney Drone, my DJI Mavic Air 2, guys. Look bad hair day, but I'm gonna go fly it. Hope you guys love coconut trees. I'm gonna fly on over an area here in Kapaa where there's tons of coconut trees, and I think you'll like it. And in the back area there, you'll see the iconic sleeping giant once again. And you know, of course, I'll get some ocean views for you too, guys. So without further ado, guys, hope you enjoy this flight, and I'll catch you guys on the next video, and stay safe. Peace out from Kauai, guys.